As a seasoned rider with years of experience under my belt, I have encountered my fair share of challenges and learned valuable lessons along the way. Riding a motorcycle is not just about the thrill of the open road, but also about being prepared, staying safe, and constantly improving your skills. One of the most important aspects of motorcycle safety is wearing the proper gear. This includes a helmet, gloves, jacket, pants, and boots. I cannot stress enough how crucial it is to protect yourself in case of an accident. I have seen too many riders suffer serious injuries because they were not wearing the right gear. Trust me, it is worth the investment to ensure your safety on the road. Another key safety tip is to always be aware of your surroundings. This means constantly scanning the road ahead, checking your mirrors, and being mindful of other vehicles around you. Motorcycles are smaller and less visible than cars, so it is important to stay alert and anticipate potential hazards. Always assume that other drivers may not see you and ride defensively to avoid accidents. When it comes to riding techniques, one of the most important skills to master is cornering. Proper cornering technique can make a huge difference in your ability to navigate tight turns safely and efficiently. Remember to slow down before entering a corner, look through the turn, and lean your body and bike in the direction you want to go. Practice makes perfect, so take the time to hone your cornering skills in a safe and controlled environment. In addition to cornering, it is essential to practice emergency braking and swerving maneuvers. These skills can mean the difference between avoiding a collision and being involved in a dangerous accident. Practice braking hard and quickly coming to a stop, as well as swerving around obstacles in a controlled manner. The more you practice these maneuvers, the more confident and prepared you will be in real-life situations. Handling different road conditions is another important aspect of motorcycle riding. Whether you are riding on wet roads, gravel, or uneven surfaces, it is crucial to adjust your riding style accordingly. In wet conditions, be sure to reduce your speed, increase your following distance, and avoid sudden movements that could cause you to lose traction. On gravel or dirt roads, maintain a steady speed, keep a loose grip on the handlebars, and use your body to help stabilize the bike. Lastly, I want to emphasize the importance of continuous learning and improvement as a rider. No matter how experienced you are, there is always something new to learn and skills to refine. Take advanced riding courses, practice new techniques, and seek feedback from other riders to help you become a better and safer motorcyclist. Remember, the more you invest in your skills and knowledge, the more enjoyable and rewarding your riding experience will be. In conclusion, riding a motorcycle is a thrilling and exhilarating experience, but it also comes with a great deal of responsibility. By following these safety tips, practicing essential riding techniques, and staying vigilant on the road, you can enhance your skills and ensure a safe and enjoyable ride every time. Stay safe, stay prepared, and keep improving. The open road awaits. Drive safe, ride safe. See you guys in my next video.